we're going to do some of our pharmacology songs. And we're going to start at the very beginning. If you remember, way back at the beginning of the course, we were talking about how drugs are absorbed, how they pass through biological membranes. And the way that you can find out how they're absorbed is by using the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Because the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation tells you, is a drug in its ionized form or its non-ionized form. And only when they're in the non-ionized form can they be absorbed. So this, the basic idea of this song is to teach what the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is, how you can use it. And it's the idea of the song, of course, is that who were Henderson and Hasselbalch, because the textbooks continually tell about the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, but they don't explain who these gentlemen, and I assume they were gentlemen, but they just don't tell anything about them at all. Just their names are there in the textbook. Their names are here, but we don't know anything about the background. So this is what we call messrs H and H, messrs being the plural form of the English word Mr. So if you have two misters, you have messrs. Messrs H and H. Henderson said to Hasselbalch, gotta figure out how most drugs react. Henderson said to Hasselbalch, we gotta figure it out. Hasselbalch said to Henderson, what we really need is an equation. Then our names, messrs H and H, will live long after we're dead. Drug molecules almost invariably, two forms can you find, ionized or non-ionized. The pH decides, and the pH, well, they will be half ionized. We'll call the pKa. Henderson said to Hasselbalch, consider the way that weak acids react when they're totally ionized. They just can't be absorbed when they're in an acidic environment where pH is low. Predominantly they are non-ionized. Through membranes they go, and the pH, where they will be half ionized, is their pKa. Hasselbalch said to Henderson, bases can capture a hydrogen ion in that state. They are ionized and just can't be absorbed when they're in an acidic environment where pH is low. They're bound to be totally ionized. Absorption, no. And the pH, well, they will be half ionized. Is their pKa. Henderson said to Hasselbalch, I think we figured out how most drugs react. Henderson said to Hasselbalch, we really figured it out. Hasselbalch said to Henderson, what we got is an equation. Now our names, messrs H and H, will live long after we're dead. Yeah.